In this video, I'll show you where to get promo code deals for Old Navy. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, what you want to do here from here is open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and then type in the Google search box here, promo code deals for Old Navy, and then hit search, and then you'll be brought to the search results here for Old Navy. So if we scroll down, you got these big sites called Real Time Me Not, 30% off, Coupon Follow, 50% off, Marie Claire, coupons.com, etc. So you can check out any one of these sites to get promo code deals, but the one I like to use is called couponfollow.com. So click into couponfollow.com and you can see their different offerings. So we've got 20% off, 40% off, 50% off, etc. So to activate any one of these deals for demonstration, I'm going to do this 50% off Old Navy. Click into it, click on copy, and now paste this code at the checkout section of Old Navy to redeem your huge 50% off that order.